Hi Zara, I wanted to just show you by looking at the screen together, it's easier to do that than to type on just looking at your grade. So it looks like, first of all, the average is a D. You have 2 assignments that you haven't read the feedback on. So what that means is probably your Unit 1 lab report and science notebook has feedback telling you if you failed something or what you can do. So if you click read here, this looks like you have read it. So you got 17.5 out of 20, so that's great. Nothing you need to do there. It looks like on your Unit 1 notebook, you had 20 out of 20, so that looks great. And then your lab, it hasn't been submitted yet, so that's what's pulling your grade down. If you look at the content, it's loading slowly. Today you should be at the end of Unit 2 taking that Unit 2 test, and it looks like you have done a lot of work in Unit 2. Looks like you need to do 2.07, 9. There's a couple that were missed here. So make sure you go back up and do that one. And then just finishing out with the notebook like you did on the last slide or the last screen. I would just double up on lessons until you can get through because what needs to happen is that the science notebook needs to be submitted by the 18th. And so you'll need to have finished the unit in order to do that. So really that's the only thing missing. You'll be turning in that lab report and the notebook. So I would double up on lessons. One thing that may be helpful is if you're behind in several courses is to work on, for instance, science today and see how many lessons you could do. Maybe try to do 5 lessons today in science and then see how long that takes. If you have time to look at one more course, great. And then tomorrow focus on math. If you're behind, do 5 math lessons. 5, I say that because that's the number you would do in the week. So then you can go on to English if you're behind there. Sometimes working on one subject a day allows you to move a little faster because you're staying focused on the same topic. So it's just an idea, but you want to make sure you're getting in every course once a week at least. And you would have to do 5 lessons at a time. So in your case, if you're behind on anything, you would need to add in additional lessons as well. So that's just another strategy. If you have any questions on this or I can help with anything, please let me know.